don't really know what else to say about it, so let's just get right into it. Today, we have the BreatheSmart 75i made by Alen. It's an air purifier, and I could not find anything online about this as far as like videos to really prove to me that this thing was worth it. I think I was taking a pretty big chance by buying this, but here we go. Let's see what's going on inside the box. Pretty solid. Really nice packaging. Put this to the side. Oh, look at this. Wow. Shit, look at this. This thing is like a spaceship or something, like R2D2. It's right in there, wheels on the bottom. I think there's a filter on it. Alright, this fast unboxing. Oh, this is not a game. Look at this thing. How heavy is this? It's 50 pounds. This is my buddy. Wow. Rub his belly. Or if it'll pop out. You know? Should probably plug it in before I start rubbing his belly, huh? I don't know. Remove all plastic before using air purifier. Where's that instruction manual at? There's no manual? Nothing? Oh, there's gotta be something in here. Come on. Whatever, I've done this before. Wait. Yeah, I've done this before. Usually just pop it. Thing off. Every other filter. Yes. Traditional. Okay, that's this. I mean, I feel confident this thing can get something done. God, look at the filter on this thing. It's like a beehive. Power cell. I wonder why it doesn't need so much wattage. This thing's also a solar cell built in. 45 watts online, man. This thing. That's one thing that actually got me to this, is because even though it's bigger and badder than all the other ones, apparently this is even more efficient than things half its size. I don't understand. But when my power bill goes up significantly, I don't know if that was a lie. I don't really have research, so this side up, huh? It's a little floppy feeling. I don't know. I figure I should find a cool spot in the house, which I can already have picked out. Plug it in. Tune back in with you guys and let you know how this thing works. Let's plug it in. It's all the way at the bottom of it. I don't know why, but I like rubbing the back of this thing. It's just big and smooth. There we go, yeah. Honestly, it looks like it's gonna start following me around the house. I should probably start putting groceries and luggage in it. I should probably nickname it. One thing that I'm starting to realize, it doesn't have a remote. I don't understand why it doesn't have a remote. Probably because nobody ever touches it once they turn it on. Maybe it's huge. Why would you? I don't feel like I should be touching buttons with this though, but I'm going to. I've already opened out, taken the filter out. I mean, I feel something. It's working. There's features. It's like a mainframe computer. What is it? Alrighty then.
It takes a little bit of. Apparently, that's the air quality in here. Not that great. I don't know. If there's something else I should be doing with this, I'll find out soon. And if it breaks down because I'm not doing it right because there's no instructions, I guess I'll be giving Alen a call here really soon, right? I guess there's nothing else to do but maybe do something, light something up and see how fast it makes the smell go away. So let's figure something out that can make a nasty smell or make my other fans. And we're back. It's the next morning and I wanted to give you guys an update on my first night having this Alen BreatheSmart Air Purifier. My initial impressions are that I believe, in my opinion, that this sensor detects air quality better than my other ones do on automatic mode. So far, I don't think this thing has made it past orange, which I believe there are 2 other colors before we get to the highest quality. When I first turned this on, it was red. All last night, we were able to cook some food and light some candles and a few other things. This thing pretty much turned purple 5 minutes later. It doesn't spend much time in the in-between state. I don't remember actually anymore, but yeah, it got to orange after a while. Like after I cut the video, I was able to get it to orange. You know, I opened the doors and let it run for a little while. It was at orange. And then once we started cooking and burning stuff, it hit the other color and then went straight to purple within like 1 second later. Kicked up and it stayed on pretty much all night. When I woke up this morning, it was back to red, which means that maybe our breathing from the night, I don't know, maybe the animal, my dog, caused this thing to pick up some more, I guess, pollution or odors, dander, whatever it is, CO2, I don't know, and kick up. But that's boring, who cares? All you guys need to know is that I think this thing is working better than my other air purifiers. The only thing that I can say is I don't know if this thing is worth the money. It didn't seem like it got rid of all of the odors like right away. I still had to like, I guess, open the door if I wanted to quickly get rid of it. To be honest, this thing almost seems like it might be a placebo. I don't know. I think I need to do more testing before, and I think with just one air purifier, maybe even get a some sort of like a pollution meter in the air, whatever kinds of things this thing is supposed to filter out so that we can get proper readings. For now, I would turn this off in hopes that the camera turns off, but it doesn't work that way, so I'm just going to clap my hands and the camera's going to turn off.